Hey guys, welcome back to another new product review. Now, this is of a new backpack that I bought along with two other bags which I'll show you, which I'll be uploading this week. Unfortunately, I have just uploaded after 6 months since my last video. Now, there's been a reason why I've been absent for so long. Is the last 6 months has been one of the worst 6 months of my family. I've lost 4 family members. 2 family members recently are down with cancer. I was sick in between, my mother was sick, and so as a result the last 6 months has been the worst. Alright, now I'm much better, and by end of February I was more or less okay. I made 2 or 3 trips. In between I did buy this new backpack. Also I purchased a new sling bag for my everyday use. Now I'll be uploading a new video regarding this product also in the coming 1 or 2 days. This is by Talk, and also I got a small gift from one of my friends, that also another sling bag. Alright, this is by Red Lemon Bench. This review will be coming in the next 1 or 2 days because I want to try and upload as many videos as I can, make up for the lost time. Alright, since I've been out for the last 6 months. So this bag I purchased. Now this review is regarding this particular backpack. This I purchased in October of last year. I used it for 1 trip. After that I fell sick, and then tragedy took place in my family. In April I went under 2 trips using this backpack, both to North Bengal and to Sikkim. So this backpack so far has been with me for the last 3 trips. The review is after usage of this backpack for 6 months. So I've been using this for 6 months. Now this is the review after the use. Alright, so far this backpack has been wonderful. I've used it both for my last 3 trips as well as within the city. You see, I do carry a lot of camera gear, so it becomes difficult carrying all that in a sling bag. In fact, it's impossible to carry in a sling bag, so I have to use this for my daily use also. So this is the new purchase. Alright, this product review is based on this, so let's begin. Now this backpack, okay, let me just put it out here, give you guys a better view. Okay, this backpack is by a company called Optima Industries. This is a 40-liter backpack. However, during the review you can easily get a clear picture that this is more than 40 liters. But however, they regard this as a 40-liter backpack. This comes in 3 basic colors. One is the full black, one is a light brown, and one is a camo brown color. Now the price, regarding the price mentioned, or the marked price, is 4,500 rupees on Amazon. However, this in October was during the festive season, so I got this at almost half the price at 2,450. Right now this backpack is still available on Amazon and it's less than 2,000. I think it's 1,999 so far. I'll leave a link for the product also in the dialog box. Do check it out in case you are interested. Now let's quickly get into the dimensions of this dimensions of the bag. It stands at a height of about 50 to 51 centimeters. Alright, now the depth, including the 2 packs, considering the 2 packs, is at comes to about 28 centimeters, and the width is about 33 centimeters. Okay, now what is made of? It is made of a mixture of polyester and Cordura, also a small bit, but majority is polyester. It comes with these strong, big, durable zips. Now however, I'm not very sure whether these are YKK because they have not mentioned it anywhere. So but however, the zips are of very good quality, thick, for easily with these loops, so you can easily hold it and pull it as and when required. Okay, so this is more or less the stats of the bag. Now let's get on with the main review. Let's start from the back. Okay, so from the back, if you notice, you've got your usual shoulder straps, nice little broad, thick. If you have, it's got this honeycomb design. Okay, nice thick, if you can see the thickness, so it gives you good comfort, especially when you're carrying any heavy gear. It comes with your dedicated D-rings out here to hold your carabiner, attach a carabiner, hold maybe your water bottles, any light objects. It comes with these loops out here. Here also you can add in a carabiner also. It comes with its dedicated chest strap or a sternum strap, which you call it. Okay, you can adjust according to the size, your body size. It comes with its dedicated waist strap. Unfortunately, these waist straps are not detachable. You see, some bags have, waist straps which can be detached. In this one, the waist straps are not detachable. Okay. However, the waist straps also have a small pouch out here where you can store maybe something small, like say a protein bar, especially when you're going for hiking or camping, or maybe your multi-tool, one of your multi-tools you can shove in here. All right. It's on both, on the left and on the right. All right. So it comes with two extra pouches, hidden pouches, not hidden, but two pouches out here. Okay. The back, if you notice the back, let one sec, guys. Let me just open this sternum strap out here for y'all. Now, the back is cushioned right below in the waist side. You've got one nice thick cushion on both for your shoulder paddings for your shoulder. So you have your 3 paddings. However, these are not very thick. These are medium size paddings. Plus, you have space in between for air circulation, because as you know, when you wear a backpack, you tend to sweat a lot. So this allows some air circulation to pass through. So this is more or less the back. You have a small hole. Knot out here, not exactly a knot, but this is just to hang your backpack in case your backpack becomes wet. What you do is, most people think this is a carry-on. This is not a carry-on, but this is to hang your backpack in case it gets wet and you want it to dry. You have to empty your backpack, put it on a clip or on a hook, okay, so that your backpack can dry up fast. In order to hold your backpack from on top, you have a separate holder out here. This is used for holding your backpack, and not this. This is to hang your backpack to let it dry if it gets wet. Now, coming on to the sides, if you notice over here, you've got your dedicated 2 compression straps, both on the top and below on both sides. Also, please, I would like to mention, there is one compression strap right in front also. However, I have removed it because they're too much. So when you buy the backpack, you will get one coming right across from the front. You can remove it if you want, that is your choice. Now over here, you've got your dedicated molly for adding, say, a pouch. For example, you can add in case you want one of these pouches. Say there's a pouch which I purchased, you want to add in an extra pouch, you can add it over here. Just pass the clips through the molly, that's it. You've got your dedicated water bottle compartment for your water bottle. All right, so, and it's pretty big. On both left as well as on the right, you have the same. Okay, you can use this for keeping your, say, a tripod stand or your trekking poles. And the one on the other side also has a USB opening to attach your USB wire from inside. Say you can put in, if you want on-the-go charging. See, if you've got your phone on your pouch or in your hand, you can pass your power bank cord from inside, attach your cord from the front, and charge your phone on the go. Now, coming to the sternum straps out here, as you know, not sternum straps, sorry, your compression straps. These compression straps play a very important role. Some people say, what is the need for this? Please remember, the job of the compression strap is to basically hold and compress your bag as per your gear that you're carrying. Now, suppose you're carrying something very light. You don't want a bag which looks very fluffy and sticking out. So what you do is you tighten the compression strap as per this amount of space that your items are taking. So what it does, it brings your bag, makes your bag small so that your items inside remains tight. It doesn't move around when you're walking. Similarly, when you carry a lot of gear, you want to open up, simply loosen the compression straps. It allows more space. It opens up your bag for your gear. So this is one of the most important roles that a compression strap uses. All right. Also, another use for compression strap is if you're carrying one of those long trekking poles or one of those big tripod stands, when you put it in, you can put it through for here also, so it ensures that it doesn't fall off when you're walking. So these are some of the basic rules or requirements why a compression strap is put on these backpacks. Okay, so now coming to below the backpack, as you know, you've got molly down here also. You can attach, mainly in case you're going for a trek or a camp, you can attach your sleeping bag or your jacket or an extra pouch also below here. Again, that's up to you. This is the beauty of these bags with these MOLLE, you can add extra, make adjustments or modification as and when you require. Now coming up to the top, as you know, there's a carry handle for holding your bag. Also it has two loops here for you to attach. You can attach any small item up here if you want. Now coming to the front, if you notice, it comes with these two pouches. Both these pouches are detachable. You can keep it on your backpack or you can remove it if you want to carry it inside. Now both the pouches have MOLLE, so you can attach items or you can attach pouches. So I'll just give you an example. This is a flashlight. If you want to keep your flashlight outside, you can just attach it here. Okay, so this option is there for you for carrying your flashlight in any way you want, or any other items. You want to attach a pouch, you can attach a pouch here, you can attach a pouch here. So this whole space is for you to customize at any point of time. So this pouch, as I told you, is detachable. How is it detachable? Out here, if you notice, it is put in through the MOLLE, and it also has a Velcro strap out here. It has a buckle and a Velcro strap. So you have 3 layers of holding. One is through the MOLLE, one is through the Velcro strap, and one is through the buckle. Alright, simply just open, clip off, remove the clip, open up the strap, the Velcro strap, pull out. So your pouch is out. You can use this as an additional pouch. Okay, you can even attach this to your belt which you're wearing. Okay, because it goes through your belt buckle. You can space, as you know, I'll just open it and show it to you. In here you have 2 extra pouches, layers out here where you can put your items, and you place space out here. You can use this as a toiletries. You can keep in your toiletries or your basic EDC items or your camping gear, such as your fishing gear. You can put in your flashlights, your power bank, your paracord, your fire starting equipment. So this is up to you. Next is the next pouch out here. Same method. Open the clips, belt clips, open up the straps and pull out. Okay, it comes with this Velcro patch here for you to put in your morale patches. Okay, now when you buy the bag, you get 2 patches with it, one flag patch of India and one morale patch. Now I don't have that because at home I've been using this backpack, so I've removed those 2 patches. So you can attach patches out here. You can use this for a lot of items. Again, up to you. You can use it as a medical kit, use it as a EDC kit. You can use it for anything that you want. Again, it has MOLLE in front for you to attach pouches or any other items. You have one zipper compartment out here where you can put in items, and you've got your main zipper compartment out here, quite big, spacious. You can put in so many things, notebook, maybe you can put in one of those small tablets can be put in. If you're carrying it inside your backpack, you can put in such a lot of your stationery items in here. There's 2 pouches full over here for carrying your power bank or anything else, your map. Alright, so, and secondly, another thing I've forgotten to mention out here is when you buy this, you get 2 extra small straps for this. You can use this as a pouch, as a sling bag, as a sling bag. You have to attach over here. It's simple. Attach 2 of those straps which come separately. I haven't got it here, but when you buy it, it comes loaded inside. So you open it, attach it, you can use this as a sling bag separately, or you attach it to your backpack or carry it inside. That is your choice. Now coming to the front portion, this whole area is dedicated to you for customization as per your requirement, as per your campaign, your duty, or as per your job or your items that you carry. You can add pouches. Alright, for example, these belt clips pouch, just pass it through. You can attach one here, you can attach here, here. You've got so much of space, up to you. If you want to keep it blank, you can leave it blank also. Alright, now I carry this backpack for my daily use also, in case I'm carrying my camera gear. In those cases, I don't have to carry those because I'm within the city, so I don't need those 2 pouches. That, okay, when I'm going for my tour, say to the hills, then maybe I use that as a medical gear for carrying my medical gear, whatever. Okay, so more or less I leave this blank. If you want to attach your EDC gear, like for example your flashlight or anything, you can just attach it out here straight. This is yours. Plus there is a patch out here. You can use this as your sticking your morale patches out here. Now you've got 2 compartments, one in front, one in the back. These 2 are 2 main compartments. Okay, so let's start and have a look at the first compartment. Open, Okay, now for this you have to open your compression strap here. Okay, so it opens up. Okay, this is almost like a clamshell opening. Now look at the amount of space they're giving you out here. Easily you can put in 2 clothes worth 2 days, which you're going to use for the next 2 days in here. You've got pouches out here, maybe for your pen. This is like a mini admin pouch. All right, you can put in maybe your multi-tool or your power bank, or you can attach your pen. You can put your clothes in here. It comes with a pocket in front, a zip pocket, where you can attach, maybe put in your toiletries. All right, 2 sets of clothes can easily fit in here, or maybe 3. You can put in 2 trousers, 2 shirts or t-shirts, your undergarments, socks, whatnot. Okay, that's your first compartment. Now comes the main compartment. Okay, this is your main compartment. Okay, now when you come, begin from this portion. This is your laptop, for a 15-inch laptop. In here, sleeve, plus you got one more small sleeve for your tablet. Maybe a 10-inch tablet can go in here if you're carrying one. It comes with the inbuilt USB for your USB in case you want to charge. So you just attach this to your power bank, and this one attach it to your phone cable out here, and you have on-the-go charging. This is basically like a strap-on out here to hold your laptop. Okay, so you've got so much of space out here for putting. Easily 1 week, you can easily put 1 week supply, 1 week of clothing and accessories that you require on your trip can easily fit in this backpack. You won't need to carry another extra bag. All right, you've got on the opposite side, you have a few more pouches. All right, you have this zip pouch out here in front. It goes right down. Again, you can use it for toiletries or your tech kit, putting your tech items. I normally use it when I'm carrying my camera, my charger, extra batteries, etc. in here. You've got 2 more open pouches out here for putting your items, whatever you want to put in, and that's it. Quite a lot. Look at it. Look at the space. Look, goes right in. You've got so much of space out here. In easily 1 week full clothing accessories can go in. You won't need anything extra. So this is the 40-liter backpack by Optima Industries. Okay, let me just show it to you, give you a better idea. In fact, you don't need those 2 pouches. Like I said, when I'm in the city, when I'm traveling the city carrying my camera gear, I don't require those pouches. It all fits in here, and I carry 1 or 2 small pouches. I leave this thing blank in front because actually, honestly, this looks better without the pouches. Now, regarding this backpack, let me just tell you, y'all might not be very happy with the price, 2,500. However, this kind of design backpack is pretty common. I've seen other companies also manufacturing this. Now, what is this backpack used for? As I said, it's a multi-purpose backpack. You can use it for hiking, anything that you want, traveling. Now, in case you're somebody who loves to hike, or somebody who wants something like this, a backpack of this size, but you have a very tight budget, you're looking for something less than 1,500 or less than 1,500, yes, you have an option. There is another company which manufactures something like this exactly, which is very popular. I've seen a lot of travelers using that. That is by a company called F-Gear. F-Gear also has a backpack similar to this. All right, it comes same with these 2 pouches attached. It costs less than, I think, 1,300 or 1,400 it costs. I'll leave a link for the F-Gear product also in here. However, the F-Gear one has one problem, is the 2 pouches which it has in front like these are non-detachable, means they're permanent, you cannot remove them. So, you cannot customize that backpack. That's the only drawback. However, it's a very good backpack. My cousin uses it, comes in different colors. You can check it out. I'll leave a link for it if you're looking for something within 1,500. Now, if your budget is a little higher, you're looking for something within 2,500, Optima Industries backpack option is there. Plus, you can also look into another backpack by a company called oliveplanet.in. Now, oliveplanet.in is a company that is started by 2 ex-army men. They sell top-class outdoor gear both for the army as well as for the general public. I've been using their products for a long time. They also have a similar backpack like this that comes in between about 2.5, say 2,400 to 2,600. I'll leave a link for their website also, and their product also. Do have a look. Their quality of their product is better than the Optima also, especially the materials that they use. They use Cordura. Alright, Cordura is one of the most important items with regards to tactical backpacks, because they are distributors or military contractors. So a lot of the gear is used by the military also. So obviously they have to make their gear top notch. So do check out oliveplanet.in. However, if you don't have a budget, if you're willing to spend even much more than that, then my best suggestion for you is, if you're looking for something, it may be a little expensive, that is by Armasen Tactical. Armasen Tactical is another Indian-based company. Again, they are contractors for the military. All right, a lot of their gear is used by the certain branches of the Indian Armed Forces, as well as foreign forces also, because in the last of late, if you notice, in the last 1 year, 2 years, there have been a lot of joint military exercises between the Indian Army along with other countries, armies of other countries such as Australia, the United States, South Korea, and I have seen that a lot of those foreign forces are also using Armasen Tactical products, especially the chest rigs, some of the backpacks, the patches are used by them. So they are also military contractors. Do check out they also have a backpack like this, exactly almost same, but however their one is much more superior. Why? With regards to the material they use. Secondly, modification. You see the one on F Gear and the one available on Olive Planet, it doesn't have this modification advantage. The one on Optima has, fine, you can add, remove pouches. Same thing applies for the Armasen Tactical. They also can add, remove pouches, but their modification is way above than these guys. They also offer various other accessories along with the bag. All right, it's like, for example, here, if you look at this backpack, what can I do much? Either remove it or add this or add extra pouches. That maximum, that's the customization I can do. But with Armasen Tactical, what they do is they attach these loops which comes along with the backpack accessories. Instead of, you can have these two and you can extend it so it can become bigger. There's space in between. Say if you're a combatant, military combatant, you've got a helmet, you can put your helmet in here and attach the pouches up here. That big advantage Armasen Tactical has. It comes in 3 basic colors, that is black, olive green and a light brown. Do check out Armasen Tactical. I'll leave a link for their product also. Only problem is it's very expensive. It's about 6,000 rupees, and that was way above my budget. So, but I still have my eyes on that particular backpack. Let's see what my financial situation is at the end of the year. Maybe I might purchase that. However, this is a backpack which is available within the 2,500 range. It's a 40-liter backpack. Do check it out. I'll leave a link for the product. All right, and remember, when you buy a product like this, after checking out the reviews, you are not going to be disappointed, because I've been using this for the last 3 tours of mine. This has been a solid partner. This is basically my able ally. All right, when you go for a hike or a trek, your backpack plays a very important role. All your gear is in here, and trust me, you don't want a backpack that will tear. I've had that experience, all right, of a backpack my shoulder straps tore. Lucky it was a day hike, I was returning, and it tore just when I was returning. So somehow I managed to use my paracord and make a temporary strap and managed to return back to my location. So this backpack is not going to tear. So you can be rest assured it is a great backpack for this price. I'll leave the link for the product once again. Do check it out. All right, if in case you like it, you can go in. It all depends on your budget. All right, I'll give you all the categories of 3 budgets, the companies that are offering, which is the best. Now there are other companies also, but according to me, these 3 are the best in the market according to your budget. Do have a look at them. In case you like the video, drop in a like, subscribe to my channel. As you know, every subscription and like helps my channel to grow. It motivates me to move further. As you know, none of these products so far till today are sponsored. This has been all bought by me with my money. So that is why I cannot upload regular videos, you know, all the time, because I have to collect that money, save up, collect that money, then buy a particular item. So for me, it is difficult. It's not that easy. All right. So do share this video, click the like button, subscribe. In case you want further inquiries, queries regarding this particular bag, drop in a comment and I'll respond to it as fast as possible. Till then, until next time, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, look after them, all right? Take care of your health. Also, stay safe. God bless.